Yo mga kaibigan, ako nga pala si PJI Herrera, criminology student na may misyon dito sa aking channel. Hatid ko'y kaalaman at inspirasyon.
No, 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 just like the wind. With just one touch, I could with just one touch, I could feel my.
Good day everyone, ako nga pala si PJ Herrera ng Section 2. And I will discuss some lesson about Smart TV and disadvantage and advantage. Ano nga bang Smart TV? A Smart TV is a television with integrated internet connectivity, an operating system, and the ability to run apps for streaming content and other interactive services. Smart TV, also known as connected TV, is a traditional television set with integrated internet and interactive web 2.0 videos that allow users to stream music and videos, browse the internet, and view photos. Smart TV are a technological convergence of computers, television, and digital media players. Beside the traditional function of television sets provided through traditional broadcasting media. This is the main advantage of Smart TV. Include access to a vast library of streaming services, built-in internet connectivity for web browsing and apps, screen mirroring to view content from the other devices, and voice control for hands-free operation. They can also integrate with these smart home devices, offer personalized content recommendations, and often have a more convenient use interface than a computer. Here's why Smart TV can transform your entertainment experience. This is the key advantage of Smart TV. First, flexible viewing anytime. Second, seamless device integration. Third, voice and smart home control. And the last is future-proof upgrades. Disadvantage of Smart TV include privacy concern due to data collection and potential security vulnerabilities. Software issues like discontinued updates and slow performance, and the presence of pre-installed and built-in ads. They can also be more expensive and offer less apps collection than devices like Android TVs for Apple TVs. Smart TV offers convenience but come with notable disadvantage. Here's a breakdown of key concern. Key advantage. First, security risk. Second, privacy concern. Third, performance limitation. Fourth, cost and connectivity issues. And the last is short lifespan. So yun, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something about Smart TV. Ingat kayong lahat and God bless.
With just one touch, I could